Spout Force is a waterfall easily accessed from the western end of Whinlatter Pass at Scoregill Bridge. The route follows the same path there and back, past a disused quarry and along Aiken Beck. The path leads to a purpose-built viewing platform for the waterfall before returning back to the lay-by parking. Scoregill Bridge marks the start of the walk to Spout Force, which is located on the western end of the Whinlatter Pass and B5292. There is enough room by the bridge for around 4 cars, and the path heads through a gate off the road and begins to follow Aiken Beck. Just to the north is a large disused quarry with the telltale spoil heaps and sheer rock faces. From the riverside path there are great views down to Scoregill Bridge, which dates back to the 1890s, and funnels traffic between the Vale of Keswick and Lorton Vale. The path passes a footbridge which provides an alternative route with more parking, but the walk to the waterfall continues along Aiken Beck to the northeast, just 200 metres further. A short section of uphill along steps into the woodland eventually leads you to the viewing platform for Spout Force. The waterfall itself sits in a small gorge and falls around 40 feet into a large plunge pool surrounded by dense vegetation. The falls are best visited in the winter months, as most vegetation has died back and allows for a better view of the falls. The return follows the same path back to Scoregill Bridge.